Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to scan Telegram QR code. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Telegram application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired account from which you just want to scan your QR code, and then head over to the three lines icon on the upper left corner and then go to the settings option. And then there scroll down and go to devices and then click to link desktop device. Once you do it, you will be just able to scan the QR code on your laptop screen or PC screen, and then once you just scan it, you will be able to just use the QR code as whatever the use of would be. And yeah, this is how to do it. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.